Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you, my dear student?
Fine. How about you?
I'm very excited today. Why? We will have some things unique in this meeting. Okay, before we start our meeting, let me check your attendance list first. Okay, Fadila. Yes. Anissa. Okay, Bintang. Septian. Okay, good. All of you are in this class. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. I will lead you to pray. Pray begin. Finish. Okay, dear student, you wonder what will we learn today?
Explanation text.
Yeah, of course you read, in the monitor. Okay, any one of you know about explanation text?
Explanation text is text that explains something happened or something happened. Explaining.
Good job, Anissa. Give applause for Anissa. Okay, because you have know about the definition, I will make it more clear that explanation text is a text that explain how or why something happened, right? What Anissa said, and it focus on natural or social process. Okay, and the next, the characteristic of explanation text, there are four. The first is it is a text that answer question how and why, and the second explain about the clear title. It's also the text have it. And the third is the first paragraph. It's always introduce the subject. And fourth, explanation text have pictures, or maybe it's about charts or diagrams with a label for a visual learners. For the purpose of the explanation text, I have a three. That is, the first is to explain the process, like Anissa said before. And the second, to explain cause and effects. And then the third, to present factual information. For the generic structure, for the explanation text, we have a general statement. Please remember, the first is general statement, the second is sequence of explanation, and the third is closing. Okay, the first what?
General statement.
The second?
Sequence of explanation.
And the third?
Closing.
Okay. And the language feature, we have a simple present for this text, and its use specifies. After that, technical terms and cause-effect conjunction. Okay, any question from this?
What is technical terms?
Technical terms, like the first, maybe the text is, for the example, explain about how rainbow happens. So the first thing, what will happen, and then after that, like that. Okay, it's clear. Okay, today I have a text about explain what you see in this monitor. Can you guys?
Yeah.
What?
It is the process of raining.
Yeah, because my PPT background is rainy and also the picture is rain. In here you can see the rainfall. Yeah. Okay. You can read together from this one.
Transpiration.
Okay, and then
Evaporation.
and then
Condensation.
and then
Precipitation.
okay, this all is cyclus of rain or water cyclus. And this is the example of the explanation text. The title, the clear title. How does rain happen? Of course, it's tell about rain. You see in the first paragraph what is the structure. Okay, general statement. And then the second sequence. Okay, sequence. And then the last is closing. Okay. Can one of you read? I think Bintang, please read this one paragraph. Rain.
Rain is the primary source of the fresh water for most areas of the world, providing suitable conditions for diverse ecosystem as well as water for hydroelectric, power plants, and crop irrigation.
Good job. Please, Anissa.
The phenomenon of rain is actually a water circle. The concept of the water cycle involves the sun heating the earth's surface water and causing the surface water to evaporate. The water vapor rises into the earth's atmosphere, and the water in the atmosphere cools and condenses into liquid droplets. And the droplets grow until they are heavy and fall to the earth as precipitation, which can be in the form of rain or snow.
Okay, and then the last, please, Septian.
Yes, great question.
The last.
However, not all rain reaches the surface. Some evaporates while failing through dry air. This is called virga, a phenomenon which is often seen in hot, dry, desert regions.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, please.
Okay, the next step is we will practice. Okay. If you understand about the explanation text, please make one of step of natural happen in your environment. For the example, like I was explain about rains happens, and you can explain other. Okay, we start now.
May I ask you,
Yeah.
could I arrange the text like a natural disaster?
It's up to you. Okay. This is Anissa. This is Fadila. Oh, this is Bintang. Okay. This is for Septian. Okay. I will give you 10 minutes. It's enough?
Yes.
Okay, start from now.
Miss,
Yeah.
is there any limitation how many sentences we should print?
No limitation. It's all about your knowledge. And please elaborate and explain it in clearly.
Thank you.
10 minutes ya. Okay, dear student, any of you face difficulty?
Yes, Miss. Because
How?
I don't know, man. Miss.
Any question?
I cannot develop my second structure. What is sequence of?
Sequence of explanation.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to ask a question.
Yes.
What is
Satya?
the meaning of Modus Gembel in English?
Modus Campbell in English. You can say it as eruption, maybe.
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Okay. How about you, Bintang?
So I was gonna be asking like, does earthquake always happening unexpected?
Of course. Because it's natural phenomena.
Thank you.
But if float and then landslide, it's not pure naturally. It's maybe from human activity such as like forestation,
Miss.
illegiology,
But in
and then
social media,
yeah.
summit, is it a revolution that have said by our president? Is
No, it's deforestation. Okay, I think the time is over. All of you is finished your text.
Yes,
done.
yes.
Yes, done.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. I think,
Me,
yeah,
I want to go first.
of course. Your place. Good. Okay.
So I will explain how volcanic eruption happens. Please listen to me, everyone, my beloved friend. A volcanic eruption is a natural event that happens when magma comes out of volcano. Magma is melted rock located deep inside the earth. Inside the volcano, magma and gases collect and create strong pressure. Over time, this pressure continues to increase. When the pressure is too high, the volcano erupts, lava, ash, and hot gases come out and spread to the surrounding area. That's all I have.
Good job. Give applause for our Satya. Okay, you can sit down now. Okay, the next maybe Bintang. Okay, the boy first, yeah.
So I'm going to explain my place.
Okay.
Okay, so how the earthquake happens, right? So an earthquake is a natural disaster that occurs when the Earth's surface shakes. The Earth is made of large plates called tectonic plates that move very slowly over time and over slowly. Sometimes these plates get stuck and cannot move smoothly as they continue to push against each other. Pressure builds inside of the Earth. When the pressure becomes so much stronger, the plates suddenly move or break. This movement releases energy causes the ground to shake, which is called an earthquake. It's basically like a shake on the ground.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good job. Give applause for Bintang. And then the next, please, the girl. Okay, Fadila, time is yours.
Yeah, I will bring a topic about how a flood happens. Yeah, it have said by Miss Inas that this is effect of the human activities such as we didn't waste throw waste in an appropriate place. And the MI text is a flood. A flood is a natural disaster that occurs when water covers land that is usually dry. Flood often happen when rivers overflow or when water cannot flow properly. And the second paragraph is the water spreads into village, farm and cities. Low area are more likely to be flooded first because water flow downward.
General.
Floods can cause damage to buildings, crops, and roads. They can also make daily
Explanation.
activities difficult for people. And that's all for
Okay.
my text.
Good job.
Anissa.
Anissa.
Okay, introduce me. I'm Anissa Intama. In front of here, I want to explain how a landslide happens. So, as Miss Inas explained before, there is three general structure that there are general introduction or general explanation, and then followed by sequence of explanation, and also it is closing. So, how landslide happens? A landslide is a natural event that happens when soil, rocks, and mud move down a slope. This usually occurs in mountainous or hilly areas, and the land becomes unstable due to natural conditions, our human activities, and when the soil becomes weak, it can no longer stay in place. And as a result, the soil and rocks slide downward quickly, and landslide can damage house, roads, and endanger human life. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, dear student, you are doing so good explanation about your own text. Now I will give evaluation. Maybe next time you will more elaborate or explain your own text, so it's so clear. Maybe you can put the step why and how to solve the problem if it is happen. Any one of you have write it on your text?
So we actually every individual have a mitigation
Yeah.
to solve this.
Yeah, to solve the problem. You may put it in the last for the conclusion part,
Okay.
because in that part you can give your suggestion. So the problem of your natural phenomena like flood and then what is landslide, maybe it will be a disaster for our country. For the example, in a rainy day like now, yeah, you know
Yeah.
what happened in Sumatra?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is our lesson today how dear student now learn to serve the environment,
Okay.
not throwing the plastic bag everywhere, don't doing the deforestation.
Maybe we can make a regulation like a strict rules for the
Our school?
for the industry or the perusahaan apa? Company that have a plan to make memperluas lahan to build their
Deforestation.
expand their
Land.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good, but it's our country. The law is maybe can be stick or not. It's maybe because our society and also government not have a good communication.
Oh,
And also, of course, our society
yeah.
will be always okay. So because the government and our society always not in a good communication, so our society will be always being a victim, right? Because the government not have the good obligation for save our environment. For the example we see in Jember, right? So many
What's happened, Miss?
so many accident. For the example, like in several area, for the example Maastricht, right?
What is it? Pedagang kaki
Float.
A float?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so dear student, now you have learned about explanation text, and I hope it will so useful for your essay maybe
Okay.
to
Next meeting?
to save and learn about the report text. Okay, I think that's our meeting today is enough and time is over. Before our lesson today will be closed by me, let's pray together. Begin. Okay, finish. Thank you all of you. Good day and see you in the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.